Logitech MX ERGO mouse review. The Logitech MX ERGO is an ergonomic trackball mouse in Lego Logitech is office oriented MX series lineup. It's very well made and feels extremely comfortable when used with a firm grip. Its design may take some time getting used to, but luckily the trackball is easy to move around. It comes with a metal tilt plate what tilts the mouse upwards and at relieving stress in the wrist, but this isn't something we test for. There are a good amount of buttons you can program and you can connect with up to two devices at once, which is great for multitasking safely. It's not a versatile mouse outside of office use because it's limited on gaming features and the polling rate is set at 125 Hz. The Logitech MX ERGO is excellent for office use. It's an ergonomic trackball mouse that feels extremely comfortable if you are using a firm grip. It's very well made and there's a good amount of buttons you can reprogram, which helps with your workflow. Also, it connects with up to two devices at once, and you can switch between them easily with the press of a button. Pros: extremely comfortable, very well made, good amount of programmable buttons. Cons: trackball design may take time getting used to. Different difference between size and variants. We tested the Logitech MX Argo and they are a Best Buy exclusive variant called the Logitech MX Argo Plus. The only difference is that the MX Argo Plus is sold with an extra rubber plate that can help raise the metal tilt plate by an